Understanding Core OpenGL. Navigating Coordinate Systems, Vertices, and Shaders. OpenGL is a powerful graphics API that allows for rendering 2D and 3D graphics. This presentation will guide you through the fundamental concepts of OpenGL, including coordinate systems, vertices, and shaders. Understanding these elements is crucial for creating visually stunning applications. Understanding coordinate systems. In OpenGL, coordinate systems define how objects are positioned in space. The word, camera, and screen coordinates each play a significant role. By mastering these systems, you can effectively manipulate how objects are rendered on the screen, resulting in a better visual experience. Vertices, the building blocks. Vertices are the fundamental units of any 3D model in OpenGL. Each vertex contains attributes like position, color, and texture coordinates. Understanding how to define and manipulate vertices is essential for creating complex shapes and models in your graphics applications. Introduction to shaders. Shaders are small programs that run on the GPU, responsible for rendering effects and processing vertex data. There are different types of shaders, including vertex shaders and fragment shaders. Learning how to write and use shaders is key to achieving advanced visual effects in OpenGL. Rendering pipeline overview. The OpenGL rendering pipeline consists of several stages, including vertex processing, primitive assembly, and fragment processing. Each stage plays a crucial role in transforming your 3D models into a final image displayed on the screen. Understanding this pipeline is vital for optimizing performance. Conclusions and future steps. In conclusion, mastering for OpenGL requires a solid understanding of coordinate systems, vertices, and shaders. As you progress, experiment with different techniques and optimizations to enhance your graphic applications. The journey into graphics programming is both challenging and rewarding.